Hey y'all, it's Morgan with Funtown RV. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the 2021 Wildcat 368MB. Starting off up front, we do have docking lights on the cap and right above your Lippert Rhino box. It's a really great feature to have, definitely when you're hooking up at night. You've got your storage up front for your battery, spare tire even could fit in there. So above me, we've got a Solara Awning. You have one on your slide as well, and they both have LED light strips through the full length of them. Right here, you have a massive storage compartment. It's got your battery disconnect, power LED light strips. It's a great place to store your power cord and any tools. Right here, you do have exterior speakers, you have power cable hookups, and your spot for your outdoor TV whenever you're cooking out in this really nice outdoor kitchen. You have your oversized mini fridge. It's the bigger option with fifth wheels, and it's really helpful to have. And then you're also gonna have a Suburban Elite Series griddle here. You just hook it up, it's really easy. You've got your LP, your propane connection right underneath the slide. Your wiring will come with it, and it's definitely a great add to have. All right, guys, on the back of this Wildcat, you do have your ladder. If you ever needed to service anything on your roof, that's gonna be the way to get up there. Next to it, you have a Furrion backup wiring. All you have to do is add the camera itself, and you'll be ready to go. Okay, guys, so before we go inside this Wildcat, take a look at these solid steps. They're made by Lippert. They are gonna be the standard step that Funtown has on their fifth wheels, and there's great reasons why. They are durable, they're easy to use, and they definitely make you feel comfortable when you're walking into the fifth wheel because they go all the way to the ground. All right, guys, first thing in the Wildcat is going to be your table and chairs. Really nice window you can look out of when you're eating dinner, and you even have some really good storage back behind this with modern finishing. All right, guys, so here in the living area, you do have this really big flat screen TV, your Connect soundbar, and your electric fireplace that's awesome to have in the winter because it doesn't pull from your propane, changes color. It's just really pretty. You have your Thomas Paine collection furniture in here as well. On this 3-seater sofa, it does fold out into a bed. You have USB and power plugs so you can charge your phone while you're watching TV, watching the game, whatever you're doing. You also have this really awesome theater seating set. It's got lighting, it has massage, and it's all electric. All right, guys, here in the Wildcat, we're in the kitchen. It's got this really nice solid surface kitchen island. Countertops are definitely gonna be durable and easy to clean, which is always a plus when camping. You've got this deep farmhouse sink, modern finishes, and this awesome pantry. So it's actually a double. It's really deep. It's great storage to have. You can put your groceries, your plates, cups, any little extras that you may have with you. And then over here next to it's the Suburban gas stove. It's 3-burner. You have room for your oven down here. LED lighting kind of help you navigate through if you're having a midnight snack. And then above you have your High Point microwave. Next to it is the Norcold refrigerator. You have your freezer up top, fridge on the bottom. All right, guys, in here in the mid-bunk, you do have your twin bunk, easy fold down couch. I can do it with one hand. And then you have all of this great storage. You've got your cabinets, pull-out drawers, and you even have a spot for a TV with your plug-in cable over to the right. All right, guys, so as we're making our way over to the loft, we do have this coat closet. It's got lots of storage, definitely helpful in the winter months when you're gonna be out and about in your new fifth wheel. Up here in the loft, you of course have your steps to get up there, and then you have your oversized teddy bear mattresses, make a great little added sleep space. Right here on the way to the master room is gonna be your control panel. It's got everything that you're gonna need to operate your Wildcat while you're using it. All right guys, over here in the bathroom, you have really nice storage above the toilet, a large oversized shower that has your seat, has a spot for your soap, you can put all your stuff, and it even has the skylight to add a little bit of height. You do have a electric vent, you've got the solid surface countertops, a big sink, and a really nice sized mirror as well. All right guys, as we're making our way into the bedroom here, you can see that it's got this really nice king bed. There's a ton of storage. Your second Coleman Mac AC is in here, and you're all prepped to go to add your TV right above your dresser. All right guys, ladies are gonna definitely appreciate this closet. It's huge. You have shoe storage already built in, along with washer and dryer prep over here to the right-hand side if you wanted to add a unit. All right guys, thanks again for watching this walkthrough video. Again, I'm Morgan with Funtown RV. This is the 2021 Wildcat 368MB. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Funtown RV channel, and don't forget the fun starts here.